Tron is one of the 3 major blockchain ecosystems jointly developed by global blockchain developers. It follows the concept of both centralized and decentralized network. And to start your journey of earning Tron, go to www.miner-trx.com. MinerTRX is the largest mining pool for Tron. To create your new account, go to Sign Up. Enter all the details and in the invitation code, enter 109095 and click on Sign Up. Once your account is registered, you can now sign in. You'll get 800 TRX for free on registration. You can see it displayed here on the homepage. At MinerTRX, you can earn free Tron daily when you invest. We have 4 different plans that you can choose from. In the VIP 1 level, you can deposit up to 9,999 TRX and you'll get 5% daily income and a 2.80% daily withdrawal limit. In the VIP 2 level, the deposit quantity is between 10,000 to 99,999 TRX and you'll get 6% daily income with a 3.20% daily withdrawal limit. For our VIP 3 plan, the deposit quantity is between 100,000 to 499,999 TRX, and you'll get a daily income of 7% and a daily withdrawal limit of 4%. And in our VIP 4 plan, when you make a deposit between 500,000 and 9,999,999 TRX, you'll get a daily income of 8% and a daily withdrawal limit of 5%. To invest and start earning at MinerTRX, click on the deposit icon on the homepage. You can see an address link here. This is your account's wallet link where you need to deposit Tron. Copy it. Now, open your digital wallet, go to the deposit section, and select Tron as your choice of currency. Now paste your wallet link here. Set the amount to be transferred and confirm it. You can see that it's already deposited here. It's as simple as that. At MinerTRX, you can earn without even investing through our affiliate program. When you refer a friend and they sign up through your referral link, you'll get free Tron as a commission. The person you invite becomes your level 1 downline. When your level 1 invites someone else, they become your level 2. Similarly, when your level 2 invites another person, they become your level 3 downline. For every level 1 registration, you will get 30 TRX commission, 20 TRX for level 2, and 10 TRX for level 3 registration. Also, when your downline makes a deposit, you'll get a commission too. You will get 10% of the deposit made by your level 1, 5% for level 2, and 3% from the level 3 deposit. To invite your friend, click on the share icon displayed at the bottom. Copy the referral link and share it with your friends. Enjoy unlimited commission without investing. To withdraw your earning, come to the homepage and click on Withdrawal. Choose an account and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the address of your digital wallet where you want to withdraw. Now, enter your security password and click on Confirm. Your withdrawal request is submitted and you'll get it within a few minutes. The platform is providing great earning opportunities to the people. Join us today at www.miner-trx.com and become a Tron millionaire.